Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I guess my voice is very clear now, guys. I was just checking with my voice, so it's fine, and we can continue the stream. Okay, great. So, namaste, hello, and welcome everyone to the stream today. My name is Saksham, and I am your host and your educator friend. And today we will be analyzing another interesting topic which is none other than project analysis of lossless, right? So the token name is lossless and the token symbol is LSS. So we'll quickly open the market cap itself and start our session. So the lossless token is definitely registered in crypto market cap and coin market cap definitely. And if we see the current coin market cap, we can see that the coin market cap has the volume of around $1.14 trillion with a decrease of 1.67% over the last day, right? With this decrease, I think the market is taking a little bit time to go upwards. So it may be, a good thing to go upwards. XRP has already shown us good strength, but we are not here to talk about XRP. So we'll quickly move to a topic which is lossless LSS, right? So LSS, if we search it, we will found that it is already registered, right? So if we open the website, we can see that LSS is currently trading at 0.18 cents. So definitely the token has less, you can say, quantity or supply. So that's why the token is currently trading at this much price. And I'm just watching you guys if you are having any questions. So that's why I am looking around, right? Abhi, okay, guys, let's continue. So, what I was saying that the current token price is 0.18 cents, and we are watching the market cap at almost something like $9 million, and $18 million around is the fully diluted market cap. If you see here, you will find out that this is the 10 million market cap, and there is a decrease, slight decrease today, but $10 million is still on the chart. So we have a good market cap also, and the project is also currently at rank 796 on coin market cap. So the project has the very limited quantity if you ask me, and if the quantity of the project is limited and they have a good use case, then the growth of the project is definitely very high, right? So the chances of project going up is very high. So what we are watching here is we'll look into multiple things. We'll look into the website, we'll look into the community, we'll look into some more things, and we'll finally look into that how we can get the token and purchase the token and what is the use case and everything will be discussed in the video today. So let's continue from here, and we can see, let's quickly open the website first. This is the website for LSS. If you can see LSS, which is lossless. If we click on product has lossless protocol, vault protection, and what is this? Just a moment. Okay. Lossless protocol, vault protection, token minter, lossless ages, and we have token option to buy the token for developers. If you are a developer, you can just choose this, and here we are carriers also. So if you are looking forward to build a carrier on lossless protocol, definitely you are welcome. The team welcomes you, and they will be having opportunity to get you enter in the team, right? With this the blog and about contact us. That's a normal thing. And here we are. We just remove it. Restoring trust in Web3 security. Lossless incorporates a new layer of blockchain transaction security, protecting selected projects and their communities from malicious exploits and the associated financial loss. Right. So lossless, nothing but they are a new layer of blockchain transaction security, which is providing Web3 securities to the projects and preventing them from malicious exploit of associated loss or funds, and maintaining a dignity in their community with the help of Web3 security. So this is basically a short thing. You don't, I'm explaining you guys. And if you see the documentation, you can also have a look at documentation and platform. We'll quickly look into that also after a while. But before that, we'll take some time to review the project. And if we scroll more, we can see supported chains. We have Ethereum, they support Ethereum as well. They support BNB chain. They support Polygon, Avalanche, Echo, and Phantom. So we have six major chains they support. And the lossless protocol, the supported chains means that the tokens which are being built on these blockchains, they will be at the security from lossless, right? So if your project, definitely this project is introduced for projects, other projects, so they will be looking forward to provide securities to other crypto projects. So this is how they will be working in the blockchain network. And lossless protected tokens is almost around 30 right now. So if you see that 30 is their number, and total value protected is almost like million, 10 million, almost like 42 million or $43 million they are protecting right now. They have already been protected. Total value protected is 40, around 40, 42, $43 million. Leaders in Web3 security architecture and exploit mitigation tools. So lossless protocol implements an additional layer of blockchain transaction security of Ethereum 20 standard tokens, mitigating the financial impact of smart contracts, exploit, and private key theft. So what they mainly do is lossless protocol implements an additional layer of blockchain transaction security for Ethereum standard tokens. So they implement an additional layer of blockchain transaction of security. For example, whenever you mint a crypto, or a mint a token, there is a block built and the transaction goes after that. So what happens is they create another block of security so that the transaction can go through it, and the defense mechanism increased, the security level increases, and to get into the system and hack anything or malicious activity, something like that, it is very very difficult for any hacker or any kind of person to do so. So this is what they are definitely building. And the lossless protocol utilizes community-driven threat identification tools and a unique stake-based reporting system to identify suspicious transactions, providing real-time protection. So lossless protocol utilizes community-driven thread. Okay, so they are running a community-driven thread where identification of threat can also be reported by the community by providing unique staking system and reporting system. Suspicious transaction, everything will be, this is just a glimpse of the token. So we will be definitely looking forward to a deep analysis, right? So let's quickly move on to it and have a quick analysis of the project, right? So lossless protocol is designed to reinforce token security framework. Definitely the token is built to provide token security framework to other crypto projects which are running on six major blockchains they have mentioned already: Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Hecko, Phantom, and last one was, I guess, Polygon. Yeah, these six mainly. And ensuring project creators and their communities have a fail safe against malicious exploits. So they will be making sure that their security is very very tight and very very difficult to break, so that the exploitation of their funds and their fail against the community, these kinds of things will be minimized and will be prevented definitely. So seamless LERC 20 standard integration. LERC is nothing like that. I guess it's lossless token. So seamless LERC standard integration. They will be integrating LERC 20 with the project initially, and then they will be combining much more safer platform to get the blockchain running on the blocks, right? Automated real-time freezing of suspicious transactions. So they also will be freezing automatically the suspicious transactions. If any transaction is looks like a sus to them, they will just immediately block the transaction, the wallet, and just kind of freezing system they will be providing. So the person will not be able to do any kind of transaction with the wallet on the lossless token. So this will be freezing their account. It's like something like that. Efficient and evidence-based resolution mechanism. So their resolution mechanism, which will be providing security to them. That will be an efficient based resolution mechanism and evidence based. It is not just like they will be facing any kind of bias. They will not face any kind of bias. It is just their resolution mechanism which will help them to and look forward to the system and give it a accurate result, or you can say decision, right? Timely recovery of stolen funds. So the timely recovery of stolen funds is also there. Your funds will be recovered timely, because if somehow your funds has been by a good hacker, or you can say a suspicious activity happened and your fund just gone through the wallet, then definitely they will be also looking forward to timely recovery of funds, the stolen funds, right? They will be recovering your stolen funds which have been stolen from your blockchain wallet or initial liquidity pool. Fees only charged on prevented financial losses. So this is very interesting point, because some companies just try and they charge first and then they do the work, if but there is not a guarantee that they will succeed or not, but your money is on the line, and if they fail, you you will not get anything, and your money will also be gone from your side. So with them, the thing is, they will provide they will only charge when they prevent your financial loss. So if they somehow prevented your financial loss, they will charge you money only then, right? Or if your stolen funds they recover, then only you will be answerable to pay them, right? So this is how their mechanism work, and they will be providing solutions to the blockchain itself, and which is very interesting to me. Advanced exploit identification and mitigation tools. Advanced exploit identification and mitigation tools is definitely nothing but they have some advanced mechanism to deal with, and they look forward to it with advanced identification and mitigation tools to overcome the situation of malicious activities and hacking, definitely, right? So this is everything you need to know about. If you are a cybersecurity analyst, or you are interested, or a blockchain developer, or any kind of web3 marketer, or basically developers and crypto projects owners, you have who have their own project, you should consider consulting Lossless for your web3 security and blockchain security. So you should give it a try if you haven't obtained any kind of security system yet. So you should definitely have a look into LSS, right? ERC20 token, LERC20 standard token standard technology behind Lossless. So here is the technology behind Lossless. Compatibility. LERC20 is a unique extension of the widely known and trusted ERC20 standard for fungible tokens, where NFTs can be traded. It has the same methods and interface as the tried and tested ERC20 standard. Ethereum 20 standard. It has the same methods and interface which Ethereum has, which Ethereum carries, and is fully compatible with all of the DeFi building blocks already in place. Already DeFi already is fully compatible with other decentralized finance building blocks already, which have taken participate in the market. Mm, Security architecture. Okay. Adoption of the LERC token standard 20 standard enhances token security architecture without compromising prior integration or disrupting existing workflows. Okay, I think I'm not able to understand very clearly because I am not a cybersecurity expert, but I'll still try to give it my best because that's what we do, right? Adoption of the LERC 20 standard enhances token security architecture without compromising. Okay, integration or disruption existing. Okay, so they will be providing extra security, but without compromising the previous integration of the token and the workflow of the token. They will not harm any kind of workflow. For example, this is a way where the token initiates its transaction. This is the way, for example, yeah, right? This is a way, but and they are putting a security in it, so the transaction goes smooth and any kind of malicious activities can be prevented. But still, the transaction goes from this to this without any kind of change. Some people say that this can also be go like this or this, and the middle one will be blocked with security, and only these two paths will be given to the token, but that's for their only use, right? But these kinds of things will not happen with lossless. They will provide a straight solution without any kind of compromises in the workflow, previous workflow, right? So lossless protocol, industry's first framework for active exploit mitigation. Lot, actually, I don't know the term mitigation, so let's quickly search it out so that we could have information. This is what we do, right? Miti Mitigation. Okay. Okay, the seriousness. Okay, got it. Where it is, okay, this is so industry's framework for active exploit seriousness. So this they will be preventing serious things into the blockchain. Active exploit means they will be preventing the exploitation of the projects which are is a very common thing in the blockchain industry, and they will be providing securities to the crypto projects who are new to the space and who need it the most, right? So this is what they're looking forward to, right? So with this being said, let's quickly move on to the further. And lossless platform facilitates manual and automatic community-driven monitoring of suspicious on-chain activity. Lossless also facilitates manual and automatic community-driven monitoring. It means the community can also drive the monitoring system, and there will be an automatic monitoring system on suspicious on-chain activity. If someone is acting sus or some wallet is looking very suspicious that the transaction is to and fro, so there will be a monitoring, the active monitoring where the community can participate, and the automatic monitoring where the computer and other technology will be looking after it, right? Malicious token transactions are frozen after being flagged and are subjected to further investigation. So malicious token transaction are immediately flagged that this is a token, this is the wallet whose transaction looks suspicious to us, and that will be flagged and are subject to further investigation. They will be immediately uh, send it to the investigation team, and the investigation team will find out that is the wallet is any involved in any kind of suspicion activity or not, right? So this is what something interesting. So we have vault protection also. Let's quickly look at what is vault protection. So advanced security tool for project owners. So definitely the whole project is on the uh, crypto project owners, right? So if the project owner wants, then only LSS will be coming into demand. But they only take those projects who have long-term sustainability and who have growth potential in the market. So that's why they have only 30 projects in their list. If they want to have to sell the item, the product, the services, definitely they could have more than 30 projects in their team, but they have only 30, so they provide definitely very good security to the project, and they choose the good projects in it, right? So this is what we're looking forward to, a very interesting and good project for the crypto growth. Advanced security tool for project owners, we have already gone through it. Wall protection provides an additional layer of protection to treasury wallets and liquidity pools through whitelisting and withdrawal limiting strategies. Okay, so the wall protection provides an additional layer of protection to treasury wallets. As you all know that there is a treasury wallet in each of the crypto project where a amount of hard cap is stored in the wallet, right? That's how the wallet gets their initial value. So this is what we are looking forward to, and very very interesting it is. So that is logged. This will provide additional security to the treasury wallets and liquidity pools as well, where the liquidity goes and up and up and up, and the token liquidity flow, outflow, inflow, outflow. This happens, right? Through whitelisting and withdrawal limiting strategies, they will be looking forward to with whitelisting. A limited number of tokens will be issued, and withdrawal limiting strategies that only limited amount of tokens can be withdrawn in a single day, year, month, whatever the time period will be, they will be setting. This is how something they will be looking forward to, they limit. So for example, sometimes the project owners dump their own projects and take the profit and leave the project itself lying dead on the ground. So with this LSS security, they cannot even do that also, because they will only withdraw a limited amount of tokens in a single day, month, year, whatever the time period is. Basically, the time period is, I what I know is almost like roughly 6 months, or 6 month or a year. That is what I have in my knowledge, and yeah, that's good, very very good to have a wall protection. And we have token minter also, lossless wrapped Ethereum 20 token generator. So you can also generate your lossless tokens in wrapped Ethereum token generator with the help of token minter. Project owners can easily mint their own lossless protected tokens on Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, and other supported chains. Definitely, the other supported chains, including BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, they can also mint their project owner can easily mint their own lossless protected tokens, and they can mint their token, but the token will be protected with the help of lossless security. So their efficiency and security will be increased. No development experience required. Definitely anyone can use that token minter, and not a specific person is needed to do that part or job, right? So this is very interesting and very easy for normal person or developer to do and look into this matter and have a good project coming up on our tables, right? Aegis proactive web3 security. Lossless Aegis provides industry leading threat monitoring and smart contract defense capabilities designed to prevent exploits before they happen. So provide web3 security is nothing but they provide uh, they provide security, and with that security they what is threat monitoring and smart contract defense capabilities. Threat monitoring is something like they always try to monitor the threats, and smart contract defense capabilities definitely is already mentioned above, designed to prevent exploit before they happen. So before the exploitation happens, before anything mishappening happens, they just got to know that this can happen, so they try to you know somehow reduce that thing and protect the overall project itself to grow and in a healthy way, and it can maintain a overall dignity of the project, which is going on right now. So this is all about lossless, which we have saw now, and which is very very interesting. They have multiple things to look after, and this project is definitely a green signal for me, because they provide solutions to other cryptos, right? They don't have their own work. So what does this means? That you are providing services to others, right? So this means that you will be capable of a large market. Your customers can be n number of customers. So the potential to get a growth in the lossless crypto project is very very high, because they are providing securities to others, and if 10 customers are satisfied with their security, definitely they will suggest more 10 customers, and the team will also work So a large bundle of customers will be coming out with the lossless project and seeking their help for Web3 securities. So imagine how quickly and how big their market cap can grow with the help of this. This is nothing but a service industry, if you want the term in layman language, and they are into the service, and which is eventually helping the crypto projects to grow in a security surrounded place. The product is definitely lossless protocol. We have already read vault protection, got it, token minter, got it, loss ages, got it, right? So this is token itself. Let's quickly have a look at token lossless LSS token. LSS forms an integral part of the lossless cybersecurity protocol, ensuring the integrity of our stake-based reporting system, stable project governance, and exclusive access to lossless promotions, right? Lossless LSS is an ERC20 standard token designed to facilitate smooth functioning of the lossless protocol and reward active community members. So the community members, sorry guys, the community members will also be getting the reward by taking part in the system protocol, and they will be rewarded for it. And LSS token utility and use cases include report generation, where the exploit, you can report the exploit. If you find anything suspicious, then you can immediately report, and then you will be also getting rewarded at something like that. Community staking, stakers may stake LSS on top of reports this team credible, you know uh mistake. If you see that any kind of project, any kind of report look very very suspicious to you, and you find that this can be a very suspectful, and this can be a possible chance of exploitation, definitely you can stake on that report, and then you can earn reward out of it. Reward distribution, making body resolve open report, recover funds are subject to 7% fee used to purchase LSS and distribute rewards to funders and community. The lossless token current price is 0.17, 0.18 is roughly, if you say, the contract circulating supply, everything is given here. You can have a look at it. For developers, we know we are not developers, definitely. So if we see carriers, open positions at lot lossless, there are no loss open positions yet, but definitely the company is big, so they will be coming up with new jobs and career opportunities for developers to look into. And now we will look into how you can get the token itself and how you can be a part of the community, right? Nothing you have to do. You just have to come to gate.io, which is this. And what you have to do, you have to click on, you know, firstly, you have to go to the home page of gate.io. Just open gate.io on your phone or laptop, whatever you want, and then you click on trade, you click on spot, and the spot wallet will be open. Spot trading uh, page will be opening. Now you have to click on BTC USDT, click on search, and what you do is just simply click type RS LSS. You will be looking forward to USD pair because we don't want to buy in Ethereum pairs, and you can see this is lossless, and it is currently trying to get a good support at this area, which is this. And if the token comes at this area, definitely it will get a good bounce. But to be very very specific, these kinds of stream are only and only for entertainment and education purpose, guys. So if you guys gain any kind of new information and knowledge from the stream, definitely you should give a big thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends and family. And also do check out the lossless project because definitely it is interesting, right? So if we see the 1 day chart, we can see that the project has some potential and potential to get a retracement from, bounce from here, which is almost 17%, and the price is not very, very far from it. What you have to do, you can also set the limit to 17 from here. Just what you have to do is just set 17 here, and LSS amount, you can put it like, for example 100, and 588 lossless will be in your account. Just click on buy and your lossless confirm order, and your lossless will be coming into your spot wallet, right? So this is very, very easy to get into Lossless and buy the project token itself for yourself, and get into the part of making money, or getting into the community as well, right? So this is a good project from my side. If you ask me, that it has some potential, because their market is very big. If you see how many crypto projects are there, almost 23,081 projects. If I talk about only 1% of the projects they will get, they will be receiving 230 projects. Currently, they are having 30 projects, and they have secured $43 million, and they will be having 230 projects at that time. And the market cap or the security which they will be providing is something like I guess 400, almost around $1 billion. If you see it in a bigger picture, 230 projects is like $1 billion project you're handling. So $1 billion security, and if they are making 10% of the protected income, definitely they will be making $100 million around a year, or you can say in their they will be having a profit of overall profit or revenue of $100 million. So the market cap will be increased to 10x, which is now currently at 10x. 10 million will be increased to $100 million. So this is what a quick math I have shown you. That is nothing like any kind of magic which I have shown you. This was just a quick math which I have shared it with you. Right. Definitely, if the project has a vision and a potential, they will find out a solution to grow very, very faster. Before, very, very faster than this method also. So it totally depends upon the developer and the core team. But if they have thought about these things, definitely they have a strong team to develop into and build into and make money out of it. Yes, right. So this was the gate.io. You can just click on it. If I see the weekly here, yes, weekly is already at the level of support. This is a very good support, almost like 17 cents. 17 cents is a very good support for LSS, and I uh, basically prefer to buy it and at 17. So I will be looking forward to buy Lossless also. So let's see what happens, and if we can get Lossless in our accounts or not. So this was all, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream, and this was something new for you, definitely. And if we quickly see the fear and greed index now, let's see what is 59. Okay, it's below 60 right now. So this is a good time to get an eye on the project itself, because when the fear and greed index it recovers, there is a high possibility of market getting good recovery or retracement, right? So this is a good opportunity for us, and let's see what happens in the future. This is something, stakers, finders, decision making, everything with the Lossless team. This is the Lossless team. You can connect with them on multiple platforms also. So this is okay. This is security community, not the team. So yeah, this was all about Lossless today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the session, gained some knowledge about from it, and yeah, I have conveyed a good message to you. Don't forget to check out Lossless in Gate.io. I have already shared the referral link of Gate.io. You will be getting 40% commission if you download the Gate.io platform from my link, up to 40% commission on referral rebate. You can get that. Definitely, you should check out the description also. I have already put it in there. And with this being said, guys, we'll quickly see you in some other streams, other project analysis, with some new project analysis, definitely. And we'll see you guys. As I always say, stay safe, trade safe, and we'll definitely go to the moon. Till then, guys, hopefully we'll meet you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the stream. And yeah, that's all. Let's see you tomorrow, and see you not tomorrow, some other day. Till then, bye bye. Good night.